Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video, we are going to create an equilateral triangle pattern plot. So let's start this. So firstly, we'll import the required libraries. So here we'll import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So matplotlib.pyplot is used for plotting the pattern. And now we'll define the number of rows. So for how many rows we need to create the triangle. So here this defines the height of equilateral triangle as 5 rows. And now we'll create the figure size. So this creates a figure of size 6 into 6 inches to display the pattern properly. And now we'll generate the equilateral triangle pattern using nested loop. So this loop iterates through each row I. And this increase dots in each row. So here this is used for centering the triangle and here y coordinates for arranging rows from top to bottom. And this line plots a blue dot. Outer loop I controls the number of rows and inner loop J controls the number of dots per row. For example, row 0 is equals to 1 dot, row 1 is equals to 2 dots, row 2 is equals to 3 dots, row 3 is equals to 4 and so on. And now we'll plot the dots. And here S is equals to 500. This sets the dot size and C is equals to blue sets the dot color to blue. And now we'll adjust the plot limits. So this adjusts x-axis limit for the correct positioning and centers the triangle horizontally. And this adjusts the vertical range to fit the triangle. And now we'll adjust the formatting of the plot. This hides the axis for a cleaner look. And this line ensures that the dot spacing remains uniform. And now we can add a suitable title to the plot. So here with font size 14. And now at last we can display the plot. And now we can run this and check. And now we'll run this program. So here we can see an equilateral triangle pattern plot. So thanks for watching this video.